Okay, so in your mind, you're probably like, oh my God, how is this going to work for me? I don't have the followers. I'm a no one. This is totally false, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can sell digital product without having a following. Okay, so how would you know what people are actually interested in purchasing? So you guys, that is where your target audience comes into play. You have to know exactly who you are creating this product for and what problem this product is going to solve. Don't just be out here creating random digital product trying to make money. You have to actually be out here helping people and solving their problem. Once you have your digital product and you know who your target audience is, this is where the fun is going to begin. So because you have no following, you either have the choice of using Etsy, because Etsy already has an existing audience. Like, you can just market your products to their people using ads. People are going to go to Etsy and they're going to look for specific products. These specific products, that's where SEO comes into hand. I would definitely recommend that you guys do your research and actually study how to sell digital products specifically on Etsy if you are trying to use Etsy's existing audience, which, by the way, I actually do not recommend using. Okay, so how I would do this as a beginner, starting from scratch, I would actually pick one social media platform. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you don't have a following on social media, you are gonna need it, whether it's for you personally or to sell products for a business. You need a social media following. Get over it. Stop being lazy. Choose your one platform and build on that platform, you guys. You need it. And it's crazy because it's 2024. You guys should have realized by now how important social media is. You guys should have realized by now how much potential you have to make money on social media. Just pick one platform. You can start with one platform. Build that platform and use it, whether it's faceless or if it has you. You don't have the following, but yes, you do need it. So I absolutely do not want you guys jumping on social media and just posting anything. You have to post community service content. This is going to be free, valuable content that your followers can watch and actually learn things. Okay, so let's say I want to come out with an ebook that is going to teach people how to become an Amazon influencer. I would get on TikTok, a brand new account, and I would start to create free videos that are going to help people as a beginner to become a TikTok. My neighbor just burped. So you guys have to remember, where you are today is where someone wants to be. Like, you're always a step ahead of someone else. You guys have to realize that. That is where digital products come into play, because you're one step further than someone else. You could help them to get a step further. You can help them to get a one up. You can help them to get to where you are today. So if I was coming out with an ebook that is going to teach people how to become an Amazon influencer, I would start by creating videos like how to become an Amazon influencer for a beginner, why you should become an Amazon influencer, what are the benefits of being an Amazon influencer, what are the perks, how much could you make as an Amazon influencer. So at this point, I'm pretty sure you guys get the idea of the type of content you should be creating, but always make sure that you guys are including a call to action at the end of each video. So I don't want you guys to overthink your content too much. Just always make sure it's authentic content that is also offering up value. Continue to post that community service content. Extra points if you are repurposing that content and posting it on other platforms. This is going to allow you to start creating an omnipresence, so you are known everywhere, not just on one platform. The entire goal is to get your content in front of people who are looking for a solution to a problem that your ebook, digital product, course is going to solve. I would also recommend you guys to use YouTube, just as I am here with you guys today. YouTube is really amazing for people who provide value, because in these videos that we are creating, we can always link a digital product, including a call to action in the videos according to what video we're making. The product has to match what your video is about. But that would be something like this. Hey, so if you're someone that's looking to get into digital products and you have no idea where to get started, have no idea what to sell, I have the answers to your prayers. I would love to introduce to you guys my Launching Your First Digital Product ebook. Not only is this ebook going to teach you exactly how to launch your first digital product, but it also includes 100 different digital product ideas that you can use. So there's absolutely no way you're not going to find your perfect digital product. It's 100 of them. So I want you guys to remember that although you are starting with 0 followers or a small amount of followers, you are going to have to produce some type of content. No, you don't need thousands of followers, you guys. 100 loyal followers that are going to continue to purchase my product and have millions of followers that never buy my stuff. I mean, unless you guys are planning to master using ads, you definitely need some type of following.